Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check banners on the Clash Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Now go to the card icon at the bottom of the screen and click to the fourth option, and here you can check your banners and decorations. You can check your frames and you can select one and you can select another and just click that and click to the use button and click to the save. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.